Hey, what's up everyone? It's your boy I Sleep Too Late, and I'm here with an unboxing video of my finally built PC. You can see there's two 24 terabyte hard drives in there, which adds up to roughly 50 terabytes. Plus the solid state drive. You've got some ports here in the front. You've got your tempered glass here, where you can see that it is an RTX 5090. And the CPU is a Threadripper 7995WX. For those of you who don't know, the Threadripper 7995WX is the premier Threadripper from, I think it's 2022 or 2023. It's got 96 cores and it costs $10,000. Together with the GeForce, that's about $4,000 plus the memory, which I believe there's, I think there's like 300 something gigabytes of RAM in this thing. Yeah, it was a huge build, and I got this thing set up. Is that? Oh no, that's part of it. Yeah, this thing is a beast. It is a freaking beast, and altogether, this build cost me $20,000, give or take. I mean, you got a $10,000 CPU, you got a GPU that's, $4,000, including tax and the memory and the other parts like the fan, the power supply. It comes out to a lot. It does come out to about $20,000. So this is a premier piece of art. I don't really plan on upgrading this thing anytime soon. This thing is going to be my baby. And you know what? I think that we just have to accept as a society the electronics that we own. We have to buy whatever we can and then just settle for it for years. The last PC I had built was back in 2019. It's been 6 years. We still have that PC. We actually got it upgraded from some of the parts. The CPU is from 6 years ago, so we got a better i9. We got a better power supply, a better graphics card on that computer as well. But suffice it to say that, I mean, I just heard from a buddy of mine that I think they came out with an upgrade to the 5090, or they're releasing a 6000 series or something like that. Honestly, it's only been a matter of months, and these devices are only going to get more and more advanced. And every single year they come out with a new model. Like, you buy the iPhone 13 one year, then they come out with the iPhone 14 the next year, the iPhone 15 the year after that. You buy the latest iPhone, next year they're going to come out with an even better one. So I guess the point of this video, folks, is you got to settle. Eventually you have to just say, whatever. FOMO exists. There's always going to be something that's going to make my product, the thing that I bought, outdated. The Threadripper, I think they're going to come out with a 9000 series later on. But I talked to my wife about it, and we kind of agreed that there's really no point in getting the more expensive Threadripper, not only because, it's probably going to be very, very expensive, even more expensive than, yes, $10,000, but it's probably going to end up being like not worth it with like, with the tariffs and on the whole situation there. Who knows how expensive these computer parts are really going to cost. So I think it's going to be very important for us to kind of be cognizant of that and to just dish out whatever we can, splurge on whatever devices we want, and just kind of be happy with it after a while. That it's going to go. Just understand that it's probably going to go out of fashion in a few years, and there's going to be even better model than the year after that. You just kind of have to be happy with what you got. So that's all I want to talk about in this video. I know that I'm going to be cutting a little short, but I got some really exciting news. I'll be making a separate video about this later, but suffice to say, we did it. We're putting together a ranked bot. We've got this whole thing for the competitive community for EDH, and we're going to see if we can get that whole thing set up. I think what I'm going to end up doing is we're going to have a server to store all the data for the ranked stuff, and it's probably going to end up going on this computer, to be honest with you. So a lot of the pieces, like the server side stuff, is just going to end up having to be on a computer that you turn on and keep on for a long time. So we might figure out another solution. There might have to be like a better solution out there. If there is a better solution, like hosting it on some sort of cloud, that would also work. Although I'm not sure what the logistics of that would be. But yeah, I'll make a separate post and a separate video on the fact that we got this whole ranked bot set up. And yeah, I just want to showcase this little nice expensive computer. Um, the other channel is really taking off, and I'm really excited about the future. As I said before, I've been making a lot of videos on this channel. I've been uploading about one video a day. I'll try to upload maybe a little bit more than just one video a day, but I've got a lot of content to share. So anyway, that's going to be it for now. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.